so much for stopping. Please consider clicking on the red button. Subscribe to this channel. Hello, good morning. I'm losing my voice. Anyway, it's very early in the morning. It's barely past 6 a.m. in the morning. I woke up and I have to make these smoothies on a special request, and also you're gonna be learning a lot. We are going to be making some aloe vera sweet smoothies, and because aloe vera is very blank, it's very flat, it doesn't have taste. I've made a smoothie before where I mix it with cucumber and celery, and the taste was so like flat, but we're talking about nutrients here. But everything I'm going to be using in this shake is equally as good as my previous shake with aloe vera, but the difference is that the ingredients will be changing and the taste will be a little bit sweet. So we are going to be making aloe vera smoothie. Let me show you what we're going to be using. We're going to be using the whole aloe vera, both the inside and the outside. Powerful antiseptic, antibacterial, antimicrobial, weight loss, help to tighten your skin, take care of the wrinkles. And we'll be using half banana. Banana contains a lot of potassium. The more ripe it is, the more potassium. So don't try throwing away your overripe banana. You can use them in the smoothie. So I'm using like half banana. And in here I have some berries, berries are powerful antioxidants. So I'm only using blueberry. If you don't have blueberry, if you don't have berries at all, use whatever you have. You can use mango. I'm also using some papaya, which contains a lot of papain that will help to tighten our skin. Yeah, my papaya is frozen. When I get them, I cut them up and then I freeze them. Yes, so I have blueberry for antioxidants and anti-wrinkle, and also papaya in here. And then I have apple. 1 apple a day saves you from a doctor. I'll be using half of the apple. Apple contains a lot of fiber. It will help to move your bowels. So I'm only going to use half, including the seed of the apple. Don't throw away the seed of the apple if you're ever gonna make smoothies. In this pot here, I have my weight loss water I did in the previous video. It's cabbage and celery and ginger. I boiled this overnight so that I can get the water out of it. I will be leaving the link of this detox water. So I'll be adding just enough water in here, and I will be adding 1 teaspoon of organic honey in here. I will also be adding 1 teaspoon of flaxseed. Flaxseed is a lot of fiber. It will help to cleanse your organs, your intestine, and make you have a bowel movement. So I will blend everything together. So I have my aloe vera smoothie. Aloe vera smoothie. You can never go wrong with anything that you make with aloe vera. It does a lot of work together. Tighten your skin, prevent wrinkle formation, cleanse your system, make you lose weight, gives you lots of energy, protects you from the sun, everything in one, all combo. Thank you guys for watching. Please do me a favor, remember to hit the red button, and please don't forget to share this video so that all your friends and families will enjoy the benefits of sweet aloe vera smoothies. Thank you so much for your time. Bye.